In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit profile name on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save a clean professional username that represents you or your brand. First, open your browser and head to OpenSea.io. You can do this on desktop for the clearest view. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the correct account you use on OpenSea. You'll need access to that account to make profile changes. As a quick reminder, you never need to share private keys or secret phrases to edit a profile. Keep those secure. Once the site loads, look to the bottom left of the screen for the settings option. It usually appears with a small gear icon. Go ahead and click settings. This is your main hub for updating everything related to your profile and preferences. Inside settings, choose profile. This takes you to your profile settings page where you can update how your account appears publicly. You'll see a field labeled username. Click into that field and type the name you'd like to use. Keep it simple, recognizable, and consistent with your presence elsewhere, especially if you're an artist, collector, or brand. If you're changing an existing name, take a moment to proofread for spelling and capitalization so it looks the way you want across your profile. This username is your public identity on OpenSea. It's what others will see when they view your profile or interact with your items and activity. Because it's public, choose something you're comfortable sharing widely, and avoid anything that might be confusing or easily mistaken for someone else's name. If the platform lets you know the name is already taken, try a small variation that still feels on brand. After you've entered the new username, scroll to find the Save button and click Save. Give it a moment to process. If everything looks good, you should see your updated name reflected on your profile. If you don't see the change right away, a quick refresh usually helps. If you receive an error, double-check the formatting and try a slight adjustment to make it unique. That's all there is to it. You went to OpenSea, opened settings, selected profile, edited your public username, and saved the change. Keeping your profile name accurate and consistent helps people find and recognize you quickly, and it makes your presence on the marketplace more professional. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you update your own profile.